Literature Review: In New York, prior to the outbreak of the coronavirus COVID-19, the analysts had predicted that there would be an acceleration in the pace of growth in the global construction industry from 3.1% to 2.6% in 2019. However, given the severe disruption in China and other leading economies worldwide following the outbreak, the forecast for growth in 2020 has now been revised down to 0.5%. Building product imports from China account for nearly 30% of all United States building suppliers, making China the largest supplier to the United States. Because many raw materials used and consumed in US manufacturing originate from China and other impacted countries, the construction market quickly felt the impacts of COVID-19 on trade as well as resultant disruptions to supply chains. Going forward, disruption will almost certainly impact the prices of construction products and materials. The contractor may be faced with dramatic turbulence alongside their supply chains. With smaller companies facing the real risk of bankruptcy, major contractors will be forced in legal disputes over non-deliverance and empty spending. Closest project across the Midwest due to the COVID-19, the construction had to be halted and resulted in delays and cancellations of projects in Midwestern states and elsewhere. The Associated General Contractors of America (AGC) reports that at least 45% of contractors are experiencing delays or disruption related to the outbreak. ESG chief economist Ken Simonson said that for the weekly survey covering the week of March 30 to April 5, 59% of 1,300 respondents indicated projects had been delayed. In addition, 55% said that an owner had told them to halt or cancel the work, and 35% said that the most reason for a delay or halt was a shortage of materials and equipment. Some experts say that the fallout from the COVID-19 is the other factor poised to affect the construction firms. It will have implications for some aspects of construction, such as construction materials, labor, and others. For construction materials, contractors that rely on Chinese materials and goods, the cost will get higher and potentially slower project completions. For the labor, where in US, the construction employment declined by 975,000 jobs in April.